Hey guys, I am back with a new video. If you're new here, what's up? It's Naturally Nappy, and if you're old here, you already know what's about to go down. Another poppin' video. So before we go any further, please make sure that you like, comment, subscribe, and share this video if you can. It's about to be lit. And we're about to get right into it. So this video is gonna be me using the ApHogee 2-step protein treatment. I was gonna use the smaller pack of the 2-step treatment that came with it, but it wasn't enough for my hair, so I had to go back to the store and purchase a bigger bottle. It's not that much bigger, it's a 4-ounce bottle. I paid $7 or $8 for it. And then I have the balancing moisturizer that I will use after I use this. So my hair is freshly washed, no products, no nothing. And then I will section my hair into 4 sections to detangle, and then we will start using the ApHogee. I watched quite a few videos on applying the ApHogee to your hair, and they say the product can be messy and it does dry really quickly. So I will put this towel on and I will keep my water bottle handy just to wet the areas. They are a little damp, but they're not wet enough to say they're wet, I guess. I'll start in the back.
We put so much emphasis on moisture, and although yes, that is important, our hair needs to also be balanced with protein for strength. Especially if you're experiencing significant hair breakage, a protein treatment may be just the thing for damaged hair. And yes, I am experiencing that around my edges, so that's why I'm here today to show you guys how I apply this product to my hair and the yays and the nays. Whenever you feel a need for a boost in strength, this is a product of choice. If you are experiencing severely damaged hair, like my edges, this would be my top recommendation, as it contains hydrolyzed proteins that can effectively work to reverse your situation. This product is sold in many stores like Sally's, Walmart, and online on Amazon. A protein treatment can reduce or stop the breakage that you are experiencing from heat damage altogether, and in some cases may restore some curl patterns that you may have lost. Better yet, if you are considering heat styling, prepare your hair and apply a protein treatment so it is not as vulnerable to damage. If you have length goals like I do this year, #extra length, then protein hair treatments will help you retain more hair. Many people complain of growing hair for years and seeing no change in their hair length. This is because you are breaking your hair off at the same rate as it is growing, so it appears as if there is no change. You still have to learn healthy hair practices so you are not constantly breaking off hair. But a protein treatment may help strengthen your hair so it will not break as easily. This is my first time ever doing an ApHogee protein treatment. I usually use products that has protein in it, and which I assumed was going to take place of an actual protein treatment, but clearly it isn't. So I am here today to show you guys the before and after effect of the ApHogee treatment. The only thing I don't like about the product is that it does get extremely hard, and it's kind of nerve-wracking because you assume because it tells you don't manipulate your hair when it's hard, and it's like, oh my gosh, my hair's gonna come out. It's just gonna break off like leaves. You get so nervous. But it's not as hard as I thought. But I still wouldn't want my hair to get hard and then have to rinse it out and be so gentle with it, especially when I'm trying to, build that strength back. It should be able to take the heat. Now I'm just applying a little heat to my hair to activate the product, I guess you would say, because on the directions it tells you, apply some heat to your hair and your hair will get harder and harder the more it dries up. And then next I will be rinsing it out. I gently did that, of course, because I was so scared that my hair would just break off. After washing out the protein treatment, it asks for you to use on wet hair to maintain moisture, detangle, and improve manageability. Apply liberally to damp hair after shampooing. Massage product into hair and scalp. Wait 2 minutes, rinse thoroughly, dry, and style. Always use immediately after using the ApHogee treatment to restore softness. Used separately, it can help protect styles and humidity, and is recommended as a regimen for processed hair, dryness, and the ends of long hair. Apply on clean hair in shower and rinse to provide and seal in moisture, which is essential for the strength and elasticity of healthy hair. So you guys have heard me talk long enough, but I want you guys to be able to see the after effect of this product. I can tell you all day how much I love this product and how much it made my hair feel soft, luscious, and full, but I want you guys to be able to see it. Check me out. Look how soft, how easy the Denman brush is able to go through my hair. Of course, we'll always have those tangles on the ends, but my roots were so ready and soft and loved. Oh, just love it. Immediately after using this product, I seen almost little to no shedding. My hair was able to, be manipulated more. I was able to apply the products and finger detangle my hair better. Just, oh my gosh, you gotta try it. If I haven't talked long enough to persuade you to try this product, you now see it. And now I will let this product sit in my hair for 20 minutes. And now I am back. Look at that definition. That was just me applying the product, doing the moisture balance, and rinsing it out. And that was it. And I always know when my hair is at its best, when I put my hair in 2-strand twists and they're just coming out. Just, oh my gosh, I love it. Thank you guys again for watching. See you in my next video. Bye.